I'm going to show you how to find the area underneath a standard normal distribution curve using Excel. Excel has a built-in function. It's called normsdist. So it does have an S in the middle, don't forget that, because there is a function without the S in the middle that does something different. So the normsdist gives you the area to the left of a z-value, so the area to the left in a standard normal distribution where you're giving it a z-value, so the data has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So let's start out with finding the area to the left of a certain value. Okay, let's find the area to the left of z equals 1.71. So to do that, remember my formula just reports it as the area to the left, so all I have to do is type it in and input the z-value into it. And there it is. And you can verify this by looking at your table. These are the values in the standard normal distribution table. You'll find the area to the left of 1.71 being 0.9564 because the table gives you 4 decimal points. So Excel will give you more decimal points, and of course the convenience of it is nice as well. Let's also do the area to the right. Let's do the area to the right of negative 0.27. Just as if we were doing this with a table, the formula in Excel gives us the area to the left. We want the area to the right. So to do that, we take the area under the total curve, which is 1, and subtract the area to the left. That'll give us the area to the right. So 1 minus the normsdist function, and give it your z-value. That's the area to the right of the z-value. And then we can also do the area in between two values. Let's do area between z equals 1.5, and let's move this over. Area in between z equals 1.5 and 2.48. So we do this just as if we were using our table, which we would take the area to the left of the larger z-value and then subtract the area to the left of the smaller z-value. So in this case, our larger z-value is the 2.48, that corresponds to having the larger area to the left. So I'm going to do equals normsdist of the 2.48, so the area to the left of the 2.48. Be sure to close that parenthesis off and then subtract the area to the left of the smaller z-value, the 1.5. And there you have it. Another thing that Excel will do with the standard normal distribution is if you give it the area to the left, it will give you the corresponding z-value. So let's say we want the area, we know that the area to the left is 0.1539. If you look that value up in the table, remember that's how we would do it, is we would look that value up in the body of the table, and we would figure out the z-value that matches it, that has the area to the left of 0.1539. Excel has the norms inverse function, so norms INV, that will, you give it the probability or the area to the left, and it will give you z-value. So we'll say, we'll give it the probability, the area to the left, and it gives us the z-value of negative 1.02. If you found that in the table, it would be negative 1.02. Now what if we were given the area to the right, and we wanted to find the z-value? Well, we would do this just like we would do it with our table. We first find the area to the left. We can do that by by taking 1 minus the area to the right. So we're just going to go down here. The area to the left is 1 minus this. we can use that function again with the 0.98. And that will give us a z value that corresponds to the area to the right being